Very good afternoon, dear children. Hope you all are well. As you all know that today's EVS session is activity based. So are you all prepared and ready with your material? So today we will make a bird and then we will label the body parts of a bird. In yesterday's EVS session, we had discussed about the body parts of a bird, and today we will do activity on it. Material needed for this activity are pencil to draw a bird and eraser to erase the deformities which may occur while drawing a bird, and a black marker or a sketch pen to give final touch to the drawing of a bird, and EVS activity book in which you have to draw the picture of a bird. As you all know that we do the activity work in activity book. Next you will be shown video to show you how you have to draw a bird. Children, follow the steps and you will find it very simple, and at last you have to label the different body parts of a bird. Now our picture of a bird is ready, as you can see here, and you have to write the date of the activity on the top left part of the page. Then you have to write the name of the chapter. The name of the chapter is birds, and under that you have to write the topic of the activity, which is body parts of a bird, and then label all the body parts of bird as shown here, and do this activity very neatly. And now you can start with your activity, and I'm sure you will really enjoy doing this activity. And children, if you want, then you can use colors also to color the bird. You can use pencil colors if you want to use. Otherwise, you can leave it as such also. So, best of luck for today's activities. I know you all can do it.